Hey everyone, Susan Choi from the Food Institute here. I am thrilled to be standing here with Camille Delure, CEO of Sevvy. Thank you so much for joining me.
You're welcome, Susan. So what can we do for you?
Yes, exactly. Well, first, you have to explain to us what is this very sleek-looking invention here. Tell us about Sevvy.
Yeah, thanks. So what you're looking at are products which are Sevvy technology integrated devices, because we invented a new technology to cook your food in a very different way. So our technology is able to cook fast at low temperatures, which is of course a contradiction in current cooking technologies, because for the past few 100,000 years we were cooking with applying heat to the outside of the ingredient, and we needed time to get the heat transferred to the middle of the ingredient. Our technology can heat every part of your ingredient at the same time to the same temperature.
That's amazing. One thing that I want to know more about, Camille, is
yes?
You guys say that you use less fat than you normally would in traditional cooking, and that this device also retains more nutritional value
Yes.
in the food. Can you explain to us how is that possible?
That's fully correct. So as we're cooking on low temperatures, we do not need baking fats, because if you fry a salmon fillet in a pan, you need the fat to distribute the heat in your pan. We do not exceed over 100 degrees Celsius, so the baking fats you just remove from the cooking process.
Tell us more, show us the devices here.
Yes.
So here we have, this is you said that's the one pan model?
Yeah, it's a one pan model with a specially CES Vegas recipe menu in. We're going to cook the asparagus in here,
okay.
But of course with culinary passion we really need to have different cooking ingredients at the same time. So we developed here also a two pan model. You see here with nice cooking pans with a liter cooking content, where you can simultaneously cook, for example, a chili con carne in the left side and bake a cornbread on the right side to have a full meal.
And so you are simultaneously working towards marketing, scaling towards both of these environments.
Yeah. That's what we do.
Okay.
And for if it's domestic or professional, we always have the help of our executive chef, Jeffrey Schoeman. He's going to show us how to cook a nice vegetable. We source here locally at the grocery store some green asparagus. I will show it here. They are
so
in
some asparagus.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and it's nice to see also the type of pan, because this is quite extraordinary. Because
yes,
cooking pans are not looking like that today.
Yes.
So we have left and right a metal sidewall, which is actually disclosing how we cook. Because the reason that we can homogeneously heat on low temperature is because we are running currents through the ingredient, electrical currents.
Wow.
So Jeffrey is going to fill up this with water. Thank you,
Yes,
Jeffrey.
exactly.
So here you see now we are hitting the spot where we say the green asparagus, and we can choose actually which kind of
the consistency. Yeah.
Now the appliance takes care of everything. The timing is okay. There is a temperature probe sensing the heat or the temperature of the asparagus, again in degrees Celsius. That's what we're going to do. So now in a few minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, it will be done.
How do you see the kitchen of the future? Do you see it a combination of technologies like this? Do you see it just with other traditional cooking methods? Do you see it an entirely transformed kitchen, where it's everything of the past is gone? What are your personal thoughts about what that future kitchen in the home is going to look like?
So luckily our kitchens are always in development. So there's a constant change in how we cook. We believe that this could be a very beneficial addition to our cooking techniques. Also might replace some of the current techniques, but it will be always used in combination with others. Because frankly, we are really bad as technology in very local heating. So if you cook a salmon fillet and you like that crust on the outside, you definitely need to sear it afterwards. because we cannot apply just local heat to the outside of the salmon. I think that this can be playing a really good part in the future of cooking, but we don't have to wait, because we can do it right now. We are here,
Absolutely,
and we're going
absolutely.
to. You see already the temperatures rising.
Quite high.
So we have a full database on ingredients and what is the perfect temperature to balance the speed, the nutrients in a perfect way. At the moment he hits 90 degrees Celsius. He will stay for 2 minutes on that level, and then Susan, I hope you will enjoy.
Right there.
Yeah,
See that
3 minutes.
timer?
3 minutes on that
Yes.
one, and then I hope you will enjoy our asparagus here
I can't
at the
wait
CES.
to try it. Yes. Well,
Yeah.
Camille Diller, CEO of Sevvy, thank you so much for showing us this wonderful invention. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Appreciate
Susan.
it.